welcome back to another video. And we're back on Animal Jam, where I'm just going to be chilling out in my den, playing a few games, being doing stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna get this little sofa in here. Sofa. In there. No, you, sofa. Sofa. Bad sofa. Go sit there, sofa. You can sit in the corner now, sofa. Gonna have a nice portal as an entrance in the corner over here. I've accidentally clicked the X. Just gonna put some flowers in the corner for decoration. Not on the roof. In the corner. Two different things. Okay. Oh, I've got a TV. Oh, I didn't know that. I got a TV. You got a TV? Because I've got a TV. Okay. Oh, wait. So we can have this inside in front of my... I'll have it here. Said move over. You don't click it, do you? You gotta drag it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I've got to have a welcome mat here. Not here. I'm gonna move it over here, not on the wall. Nice welcome mat. Recycling. We need to recycle. Gonna put that outside so that I can come out and take the trash out. Not my brother or the other types of trash. Though he is also classed as trash, Mum says I'm not allowed to put him in the bin. I think that's the back. Is that the back or the front? Dad thinks about elbows. Just gonna have a nice tea. That's what we can put the flowers on. Shove that over there in the corner and the flowers just should automatically shoot up. Doesn't work like that apparently. And now go on. Bingo! Flowers on the table. Okay, my father's saying random things. And I'm going to get rid of the extra stuff that I don't really need. And then we can get into today's episode where we, we are just chilling. Okay, there we go. And house looks cute. I'll say we can start some games. So, any games we can get 5 points on. Even the easiest game in the world, which I call Touch Pool. So I'm going to play a couple of games of this. I'll show one of the games that I'm playing. So, let's begin. Okay, so starfish. Yay! We caught a starfish. Okay, I'm just gonna get the stuff that's not really moving. Go away, stingray. Go, stingray. Oh, I need to stay with the money. So, I'm not really in this game for the money. I'm in it for... Actually, I am sort of. But not the money that you get in-game. The money that you get when you, finished the game. So, have you ever done that? Can't see I flicked my hair, my beautiful long luscious hair. If you can't see, I did it again. Pufferfish. I wish there were pufferfish in here. Yo, pufferfish, why ain't you up in here, yo? I try to act cool when I'm not. Go away! I think I can catch this guy so slow. Those guys are hard to get. And I mean hard to get. What have I done? No, I've got 50 gems for no reason at all. Just because the game feels like giving me 50 gems. Why is it so easy? I don't like it. It's so easy. Stop being easy. Okay, I don't need these gems, so I'm just going to ignore the gems when they explode everywhere. Just continue to catch them. Okay, so... Oh! This guy does not move still. Easy. Oh. The hours I used to waste playing this game. I used to be on here playing this game for hours. Okay, so I'm gonna play a few games now, guys. Get a few gems. And I'll see you then. So I'm just gonna be back in 3, 2... So guys, I have 26 gems from playing the game, so I think I'm gonna end this video here.
You're talking to me?
I'm doing a YouTube video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.